Hello. Welcome to our English Shadowing podcast. My name is Tom. I am happy to help you today. Shadowing is a fun way to learn English. It helps you speak better. You will sound more like English speakers. Today we will learn what shadowing is. We will practice together. You will see how easy it is. Do not worry if this is new. We will start slow. We will take it step by step together. Take a deep breath with me now. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Feel good and ready to learn. Shadowing means listening to English and copying it right away. You repeat the sounds you hear at once. It is like being a shadow. You follow their words closely. You try to match how fast they talk. You do not need to understand every word first. Just copy the sounds and music you hear from them. This helps train your mouth muscles for English. It makes English sounds feel more natural when you speak. Many teachers like shadowing because it works well. It makes your pronunciation and speaking better very fast. When you shadow, you train your ears and mouth together. This helps you learn English sounds much better. Your brain gets used to how English sounds and moves. English has a special music that is different. Shadowing helps you speak without thinking too much. Your mouth learns to make English sounds by itself. You also learn how words go together this way. You hear how words connect in real English talk. Regular shadowing makes your English sound more natural. People will understand you much better when you talk. First, pick good audio for shadowing practice. Choose something that is not too fast or too hard. Start with easy things like news or podcasts. The speaker should talk clearly and not too fast. Find a quiet place where you can talk out loud. You need to hear the audio and yourself clearly. Use headphones if you can to hear better. This helps you catch small sounds in the words. Have water nearby because shadowing makes your mouth dry. Take breaks when you need them during practice. Step 1. Listen to a short part first without copying. Try to understand the main idea and music. Step 2. Play the same part again and start copying. Do not worry about being perfect at first. Step 3. Try to match how fast they talk. Try to stay close behind their words and timing. Step 4. Listen to how words connect together. Notice how some sounds change when words touch each other. Step 5. Do the same part many times. Each time you will get better at copying the sounds. If you are new to shadowing, start with very short sentences. Practice just 5 to 10 seconds first. Choose things that are a little below your English level. This makes it easier to copy sounds. Do not worry about understanding every word meaning. Just focus on copying the sounds you hear. Start by talking quietly if loud talking feels too hard. You can talk louder when you feel better. Practice for just 5 to 10 minutes at first. Short practice times work better than very long ones. When basic shadowing feels easy, try longer sentences and parts. Make it harder with more content. Choose audio that matches your English level now. News podcasts and school videos work very well. Try to shadow without looking at words. This trains your ears to catch all sounds and patterns. Try to copy how the speaker feels and sounds too. This makes your English sound more natural. Practice shadowing different English accents from around the world. This helps you understand more English speakers. Good learners can try shadowing movies, TV shows, and fast talks. This is much harder but helpful. Practice shadowing while doing other things like walking. This helps make English speaking feel more automatic. Try talking at exactly the same time as the speaker. This needs lots and lots of practice. Record yourself while shadowing and listen back later. Compare your voice with the original speaker's voice. Shadow the same thing multiple times on different days. You will see improvement each time you practice. Many new people try to understand every word while shadowing. This makes them slow and lose rhythm. Some people talk too quietly when shadowing. You need to talk clearly to train your mouth right. Others try to shadow things that are too hard. Start with easy things and work up slowly. Some learners give up too fast when they make mistakes. Remember that mistakes are normal when learning. Many people do not practice often enough. Daily short practice works much better than long weekly ones. News podcasts are great for shadowing practice. The speakers talk clearly and use common English words. School YouTube videos work well too. Choose topics you like to make practice more fun and interesting. Audiobooks read by English speakers are perfect for longer practice. The speed is usually good for learners. English learning podcasts often have clear speech. They are made for students, so speed is right. Movie talks can be fun but are often too fast. Start with children's movies that have simpler speech. Set the same time each day for shadowing practice. Morning practice can give you energy all day. Start with just 5 minutes daily if you're busy. Doing it every day matters more than long times. Use your phone to practice during free time. You can shadow while walking or waiting for things. Find friends to practice shadowing with you. This makes learning more fun and helps you stay motivated. Write down your progress by recording yourself weekly. Listen to old recordings to hear how you improved. After 1 week of shadowing, your pronunciation should get clearer and more right than it was before. After 1 month, your English music and flow will sound much more natural when you talk. After 3 months, you will talk English more smoothly without stopping to think about single sounds. Keep a practice book to write what you notice. Write down which sounds are getting easier. Ask English-speaking friends if they notice improvements. They can give you helpful words about your progress. How long should I shadow each day? Start with 5 to 10 minutes. Make it longer as you improve. Should I shadow the same thing many times? Yes! Doing the same thing helps you learn sounds better. What if I cannot keep up with the speaker? Make the audio slower or choose easier things. Is it okay to shadow with words on screen? Sometimes yes, but try without words when you can. Can I shadow non-English speakers? It is better to shadow English speakers to learn the best pronunciation. Remember that shadowing takes time to get good at. Be patient with yourself and be happy about improvements. Use shadowing with other English learning things. Reading, writing, and talking all work together to help you. Choose things you enjoy shadowing because you will practice more. Fun practice makes you learn faster. Do not feel bad about making mistakes or sounding different. Every English learner goes through this same thing. Most important, have fun with shadowing practice. Enjoy training your voice to speak good English sounds. Thank you for listening to our English shadowing podcast today. I hope you feel ready to start. Remember to start small and practice every day. Even 5 minutes daily will make a big difference. Keep listening to our podcast for more English learning help. We will help you get better at speaking. Until next time, keep practicing your shadowing and have fun learning English. Goodbye and good luck!